Happy Sunday, guys. Super Bowl time. So, oh, I meant to get up earlier so I can start prepping because I'm gonna do these wings, and also I'm gonna make some shredded chicken for our nachos. Gotta go get the chicken breast. So I'm gonna be in, I took a shower, put on clean PJs. The doggies are sleeping, maybe. Everybody's sleeping. Chicken. I shake when I pick up stuff with my left hand. I had carpal tunnel surgery years ago, but hand's still weak. But that's besides the point. Here's my chicken breast. I'm gonna put in the crock pot along with some other things. I'm so sorry about the lighting, guys. It's dark in my basement. So let me take this upstairs because I can't carry all that. All right, so I'm making slow cooker shredded Mexican chicken. It says 4 large boneless, skinless breasts, so that's in there. I didn't get my other ingredients together. Let me get them. Hello everyone, I wanted to pop in and introduce myself. My name is Latoya Black Butterfly. I am a mom of 5. I am married. I am a stay-at-home mom, and I also have a little granddaughter. On my channel, you will see cleaning, cooking, some laundry motivation, maybe some baking, because baking is my jam. If this is something that you like, I hope you guys do stay and continue to watch. And if you like the content that I put out, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up because that really helps me. And also hit that bell just to let you know of my future uploads.
You were all he wants, and it's midnight. Oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid.
So this video was recorded on Super Bowl Sunday, but I didn't want to waste the footage. We put so much time and effort in recording, so I just wanted to share what we did on Super Bowl Sunday, which was chill in the house and just have some good old finger foods.
I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him?
So this is on high. It's gonna cook for 2 to 4 hours. And we'll be back to make our sheet pan nachos. All right, so now we're down in the laundry room. About to sort these clothes because I have a couple of loads to do. So I'm gonna get that done.
Fired all of the bullets. Yeah, you shot me through the heart. Casting dice and roulette. The game was set right from the start. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna know, I don't want it anymore. I don't wanna go, don't wanna know, but I keep coming back for more. Crashing down in the rain, all things are burning up in flames. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder.
So here I'm just browning up some turkey for the rotel. And what I put in my rotel is, of course, the rotel, like the chilies. Like I use this, and I use the Vita and taco seasoning, but I will show all the steps. But this is the first step. It's browning the meat. And then of course you will strain the meat to get all the grease out. So I'll be back to show y'all everything that goes. And I'm gonna cook this in a crock pot. So it's gonna be cooked on low. And I also wanted to mention my pajama set came from Target. So when I get hot, I'll just take off the my shirt, and leave the cami on. But this is a nice, warm, comfy, you didn't see the bottom. This is what the bottom looks like. And my house shoes I got from Amazon. So it's just a nice, comfy set that I'm gonna be chilling in all day for the Super Bowl. Back to browning my meat so I don't burn anything. So my laundry routine is fairly simple. I separate my clothes by color. I've always done it. That's how my mom taught me, and I'm 45 and I'm still doing it the same way. I use the laundry sanitizer, the Downy beads in the lavender scent. I also use the Swapatal fabric softener, and the detergent that I'm using is the Oxy. I kind of switched. I was using the All-in Clear, but I didn't smell my clothes. They were clean, but they didn't smell clean. They didn't stink, but you know what I'm saying. I just like that scent. So I switched over to the Arm & Hammer Oxy. I think it's the Odor Blast. I'm not really sure, guys. And my mom gave me some more Lysol sanitizers, which you see by the dryer on the floor. And I always hang up my clothes. There's a lot of clothes that I don't dry. So I hang up a lot of me and my husband's clothes. And of course his work clothes, because I don't dry any of those.
so stressed, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000 and my girls got my back. We just won the party, call me tequila shawty. We just won the party, yeah, yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know.
Alright, it's time to make the rotel. I'm already tired from doing laundry. I'm gonna put a pack of taco seasoning in here. If I can open it. And some rotel. You probably hear my son's TV in the background. I'm gonna put this on low. So the Velveeta cheese, I just cut that up a little bit and toss it in there. I'm gonna let it cook a little bit just so I can see if I need to add any more rotel or cheese, because I don't have a lot of meat, so I don't want to put a whole bunch of stuff in there. So this Velveeta cheese should work. Just cut it up like that. Give it a nice stir. I might need to add another can of rotel. I can tell that already. So I'm just gonna add another can. I have no nails, so I can't open it. So all the meat and the cheese is in here. I'm cooking it on, well, I might start off on high and then turn it to low. All right, so this is my chicken breast for the chicken nachos. It's been cooking for a while. So I still need to make my nachos. The meat is done. This is my deep fryer that I'm gonna use to fry my chicken in. So I gotta season my chicken wings and get to frying and making my, I guess, sauce for the hot wings. And my seasonings for my chicken is very simple. Garlic, seasoned salt. Oh, I need those Sam's. That's all I got. Oh, I need to get some more garlic powder too, and some pepper. So that's all I'm using. Simple, because the brown sugar and hot sauce and everything is gonna make everything taste so good. Yum. So let me get to seasoning my chicken.
get your number, baby. I'll give you mine if you give me yours. Can I call tomorrow?
I'm tripping, y'all. Let me warm up this oil. I could be warming up my oil while I get my chicken together. So let me warm this up. Not on? It's not connected. There we go. Now it's connected. It's getting hot.
Maybe, ooh, I'm feeling down, so can you be my cure? Say, can
I hope you guys are still enjoying this video. I do vlog style videos because I really do hate doing voiceovers. So in my videos, it's like I'm talking, then I'm playing music. If that's something that you like, let me know in the comments below. I know some people like just hearing music, some people like the talking. Just let me know if you guys are feeling what I'm doing with the vlog style videos, because voiceovers, ugh, I cringe, but you know, they gotta be done sometimes.
waste too much time with you on my mind? I just wanna call you. Please stay on the line so I don't waste more time. Say, can I get yours? Can I get yours? Say, can I get yours? Can I get yours? Baby, just say yes. Can I get your number? If you give me it, promise I won't bother. Let it take a rip till like I don't know it. Baby, just say yes. Can I get your number? Ooh, can I? Can I? Can I? Can I? This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try. Yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time. Yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know. They don't know. They don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't know, they don't know, they don't. Let them.
Alright, this chicken is looking I'm cooking chicken. Is that okay?
I like chicken.
No. This one looks done.
Huh?
Looks like it's done. See, here's the thing. It don't like coming out of it. It want to stay sometimes. Come on, man. I don't have time for this. Crispy.
Believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no, they don't, no, they don't. I feel so alive. When I'm with you, I'm on flight mode. You move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows.
So my little hot wing sauce, I just use hot sauce, brown sugar, butter, put it in the microwave so everything combines. And you can add hot sauce or brown sugar, taste it to see how you want it. And as simple as that. There you go. Some hot wings.
No, they don't. They don't, they don't, they don't. How we roll. They don't, they don't, they don't. How we roll. Don't deny that I could use some company.
Time to make these nachos.
My friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume stuck on my shirt, and there's an empty left in my bed. I don't know about you, I'd put you first. I bought some new flowers, they're all dead. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time, oh, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time. Just want your time. You make me feel like we could be something more. The way your light shines, there's no shadows anymore. But then you put doubts and doubts and doubts in my mind. Still, you make me feel like we could be something more, something more. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time, oh, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time. Oh, spend a little time. I need your time. Spend a little time, spend a little time.
So after the nachos are done, you just top it with green onions and tomatoes and put it on your plate, and you can have whatever you want, some guacamole, sour cream. These nachos were so good, I'm telling you. I will be making these again.
I'ma lose it out of control. Yeah. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside.
Like them
Game
nachos.
hasn't even started. Nachos are good.
Huh?
Nachos are good.
Get it real quick. I'll pause it. This plate is clean. Said nachos was good.
Yeah,
Y'all.
everything was good.
You been having
Toya
on tail?
wings, not yet.
Toya wings, was it too spicy? Did it have a sweet taste to it?
Yeah.
Did it have the spice though at the end? I haven't had one yet. I'm full. As you saw, the hubby loved the wings. I'm about to sit down and chill and watch Training Day with him for a second, and I'll get back to laundry in a minute. Football gonna start soon.
Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. I know what I want, know that I care. Nothing can change that. Talk to me, babe. Fight for me, babe. Need you to hear me. Never have I felt this way. I hope you feel the same. I'ma lose it out of control. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Yeah, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. Yeah, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. I fell for you, you made it easy for me. Yeah, nothing that you could ever do would make me leave you, baby. I fell for you, you made it easy for me. Yeah, nothing that you, baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Yeah, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. Yeah, I wanna get
Antonio Brown getting involved in touchdowns. See how efficient that
One more
offense
what?
is doing? That's what they've said. It's simple, right?
I'm cutting through all the lanes, sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good, show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed this little vlog style video. Like I said, if you like videos like this, let me know in the comments below. Hit the subscribe button if you have not. Ring that bell just to let you know my future uploads. Normally I upload on Mondays and Fridays. I'm thinking about changing to once a week, but we'll see how that works out. I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, bye.